Good evening, all. Students, I request please inform your friends to join the session. We'll start exactly at 7:05. So I request within that, kindly inform your friends to join the session as soon as possible. Yeah, good evening, all. I hope you all doing well. Sir, good evening.
Yes, yes, good evening. Yes, good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, you can start the session, sir.
Okay, sure. 2 minutes. Okay, hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope you all are doing good, right? Please, everyone, write in chat. Okay? Quick response, everyone. Yeah, you are present or not. And please mention this also, like today you are joining for the day one, or like this is the day two for all everyone. Because today is the day one for our course. Yeah, everyone, please mention in the chat fast. Today we'll learn some exciting things to how to like build any page. Okay, good, good. Yeah, keep typing, keep typing. Okay, people are still joining. Okay, please, like you can inform your friend here and here. Okay, please start joining the class. Its class has just started. So please, you can inform your friend. Yes, 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 people are still joining. I'm waiting for the count. At least the count should be at least 500. Yes. Please, please make it. Please make it. Please make it the count of 500. Yeah, student count. Okay, we are starting on exactly 17. Okay, so 2 minutes more. Okay, please inform fast your friend. Okay, so whoever busy with like some work, please ask to join at least. Yeah, because your presence matter a lot. Good audible to everyone, I think. Right? Yeah, yeah, go ahead, go ahead. Okay, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Mark Brito. I'm audible. Yes, guys, please join fast. Today we'll learn so many interesting things. So please join fast. Yeah, please, those who raise the hand, okay, please, you can put down your hand because like whatever problem or like and whatever issue you have or whatever doubt you have, you can ask in the chat. Okay, I will try to answer. Yes, yes. Whoever have any issue, any doubt, ask in chat. Try to ask in chat. Make it interactive in chat section. Yes, yes. I will try to answer everyone. Yes. Yes, Navya, Balasai, Sudhir. Okay, I will answer your questions. Okay. Okay, so we can start now. Okay. So before starting the today's session, I want to like give a quick recap what we had covered in the study class. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen. Those who join new today, so it will be helpful to them. Like otherwise, they will think like what we are discussing. So I want to be everyone on the same page. So I will give a quick recap of like what we had covered on the yesterday, which is the day one. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen. Yes, everybody can see my screen, right? I think. So yesterday we covered about the evaluation of coding, how coding has evaluated and like how coding has become advanced day by day. We cover all these things. Then after we cover about like the fundamental structure of the coding. Then after we cover about the SDLC, which is called the software development life cycle. What is the life cycle of any software and how we decide it. Okay, we cover all these things. And what are the like the major points of the like the software development life cycle. We cover all the things. Then after we cover like the what are the core features and what are the core points before like constructing and designing any software. We cover all these things. Then after we cover like what are the major steps should be taken before like designing any software. We cover these things also. Then after we cover like the what is the requirement for the gathering information and all, because suppose when you are creating any software and anything, so what is the requirement, what is the use for, what the problem or statement you are solving. So we are like discuss all the things in a very like a detailed manner in yesterday. So I don't want to go in deep dive, just I am giving you overview. Then after we cover the art of requirement, like how what is the requirement, why it is required for that project, and is it necessary for this or not. So we cover in all these things. And then after we cover the design for the future. So suppose if you are creating today, so it will be like useful in like after 5 years or 10 years. So we'll cover all we'll see all these scenario and we'll try to figure out all these things before starting before starting any project. Okay, then after we cover about the like the what is the traditional development method, what is the agile methodology, and what is the DevOps workflow. We cover all these things in very good way. Okay, so traditional like it's a like a linear flow. We go one by one. Okay, as we discussed yesterday, and agile is like it's for the like the requirement. What is requirement? We do it first. Okay, then after there is a DevOps. DevOps means whatever is required we do it and it will be implemented on the same time and tested. Okay, this is a comparison. It will get a good insight of like, or it will get a better understanding what we have to do. Okay, so this is the like the linear things. This is the linear things. And then after there is a agile is like quite fast. And then after we go for the DevOps is like the rockets. DevOps is nothing but like the today, like you are the AI enabled development. This is called DevOps. Okay, then after the quality and the risk management, we cover all the things. Okay, so whatever we discuss, it is already discussed on the yesterday. Okay, if you want to know in detail about it, you can discuss it. And apart from this thing, we cover some like the AI tools, how we can like prompt anything, or we can get a like your required output. We cover all the things. We see also like what we can do by manually and how we can achieve it by using AI tools. Okay, so we discuss all the things in very detailed manner. Now we start from the today class. Okay, so today we discuss about the box modeling. Okay, so what box modeling I am explaining and why it is important. So just write it box modeling. Okay, we write it and we get it something like this. This is the box modeling. I am opening this. So creating any and why it is important, I will tell you. First try to understand the terminology of the any box. So this is your box. Okay, inside box this is your content. Okay, and this is the padding. Okay, this is the padding, and then after the boarding, and this is the margin. Okay, so this is the content, this is the padding, this is the border, and this is the margin. These all are the terminology. You guys should be aware about all these things. I will explain in detail what is padding, what is margin. Okay, so this is the box and why it is important. So I will show you some example. Okay, so suppose this is a website. Okay, this is the Amazon website, right? So don't you think guys like this page is built in the form of box? You can see this is a box, This is also in the form of box. This is also in the form of box. This is a separate box, and this all are the separate box, right? Everything in the form of box. Okay, it's not only for this page. If you go on any page, you will find it the same. Okay, suppose if you want to check, if you go on different page, right? Suppose this is the today days. I go on the mobile section. Okay, the mobile section is also on the box modeling. Okay, in the form of box. You see, this is the separate box. Inside this is a separate box. This is the separate box. Okay, this is the separate box, right? Everything in the form of box. You can see, not only this Amazon website, any website in the world, any app in the world, any website, anything you see in today era, whichever you see on the screen, it is all are in the form of box. That is called box molding. That's why you should aware about these things. Okay, if you go on the Flipkart page, you see like everything in the form of box. This is the box, then after this is the another box, this is the another box, this is the another box, right? You see, these all are in the form of box, right? Similarly, if you go on the other website, any website, suppose I go on the Mintra, right? This is the Mintra. You see everything in the form of box. Okay, this is the separate box, this is the another separate box, right? Okay, so whatever today we see on the screen, it's all are on the basis of the box modeling. That's why it is important to know. Before box modeling, we are working on the table method to create any UI in the page. Okay, before, like, what is the challenges people are facing in the table method now? That time you need to implement any css, any styling, that is very challenging. Okay, and most of the library is not supporting to the html. That time we are using the lower version of html5. Now we are using html5 version, in which, like, whatever the things you want to update on your, like, append on your browser, we are following the box model. So I hope like you guys got the, like, little bit awareness about like what is the box modeling, right? So everybody keep type in the chat. Okay, see what you get, what you know, and like what your, like, suggestion about the box molding, what you know about box molding, anybody, and what your understanding about the box molding. Keep in the chat. You got something, like whatever I explaining about the box molding, you got something, just write in the chat. I want to listen from you guys. Yeah, please fast go ahead. Yes, quickly write in the chat. Yes, got it. Good. I will show you some more example. Okay, it will give you more insight about what is the importance and what is the evaluation and what is the needed of box modeling. Okay, just just for a moment. Okay. Okay, guys, try to see in the chat, like in the on the screen. I have shared something. Okay. Here is like the from like the older version to the like the latest version of the Amazon website. So you guys can easily like rectify, or you can easily notice it what evolution like have in the box modeling, which help you to improve the UI. Okay. So early in 1994 to 1995, okay, he's the Jeff Bezos, everybody know, I think. Okay. So initially the Amazon website look like something like this. Okay. It's totally on the table method. Okay. It's totally created on the table method. Then after its evaluation, like in 1997, it's improved little bit. Okay. It's still in the table method. Like the initial the Amazon website looks something like this. Okay, which is like quite totally different from like what we see on the screen today. And then after we move ahead little bit, okay, you see like there is a little bit of improvisation in the UI, but it is still in the table method. Okay, then after like it's keep going in the table method. Yeah, and they all are in the table method. Still, it's in the table method. Yeah, still in the table method. Now it's like the box modeling has implemented in 2008. Box modeling has introduced in the development. Okay. Now from 2008 onwards, whatever website you see, it's in the form of box modeling. Okay. Now it's like more convenient to add like a styling, have to manage a space of your page and everything. It's like quite more convenient. Okay. So you see the evaluation of the Amazon website, right? So in this, like previously, I tell you something like some terminology. What is margin? What is border, padding, and the main content I like it's related to the your box. Okay. So I need to explain these things. So just watch this image. Everybody is looking on this image, right? Everybody can see this image, right? Yes, no, please keep chat. Yes, no. I can adjust somewhere. Okay. So this is a house, okay, and this is the boundary, right? Everybody can see this is the house, this is the body. Suppose this is the box, okay. So this is the box, and this is your content, right? This is the box, and this is your content, and whatever the area you have now from your content to the boundary, this is called padding, okay. And whatever the area from outside your boundary, that is called margin. Getting? Okay. So whatever area inside your from content to the your boundary inside, that is called padding. Okay. And whatever area you have like from the like from your boundary to the outside or to the neighbors, that is called margin. Okay. So this is called padding left. Okay. This is called padding bottom. Okay. This is called padding right. And this is called padding top. Little bit space here. So this is called padding top. Then after this is called margin top, and from this boundary to the data space, this is called margin bottom. This is called margin right, and this is called margin left. Got it? So these all are the terminology you have to understand. Summary of these things, like you have to manage inside the boundary, then you have to use padding. You have to like use manage the space from the outside of your boundary to the related to the other content or neighbors of the element. For in that case, you have to use margin. Okay, so these all terminology you guys should know before like implementing the box model. Got it? Everybody clear up to this point? Just tell me, keep answer in the chat. I want answer from everyone, because this is the most simplest things which I can use to make you understand. Okay. I don't think like on other place you can get it like in this easy way to understand like the what is padding and margin, right? Okay, you guys got it like what is padding, what is margin, everybody. Now we'll see like quickly in the like in coding how we will implement this. Yes, yeah, quick chat. There are like 408 people, 411 people in the meeting, and I see only few chat. Why? Yeah, please go fast, everyone. Yeah, please be fast. Yes. Yesterday I got some like the query like the you people want from the scratch. That's why I have started from the scratch basically to make you understand like what is the basic architecture of like designing any page or any UI. So that's why I picked this topic. I'm explaining how to implement the box modeling. Just wait. Just allow me some time. I make sure today end of the session you have a like a quite good command on the box modeling how to implement. Okay, we will do some example also or some assignment. Yes. Yeah. Please chat in the chat. I want like at least like the 50% of the audience should answer. Please make it like the two-way traffic, not only the one-way traffic. Only I am explaining, and you guys are not saying anything, watching it like a YouTube video. Okay, so please make the session interacting. Yes, yes. Yes, Chaitanya, you are good. Yeah, go ahead. Please write in the chat. Yeah, fast, guys, fast. Answer fast. Yeah, your answer is correct. Yeah, Sridhar, your answer is correct. Yes. Go ahead and keep typing in chat. Everyone try to participate. That will mark your attendance also. Okay, so please participate. Okay, now come to the coding part. Okay, why padding, margin, and these all things are important. Okay. So everybody can see a screen on my page. I'm taking one page, index.html. Okay, right. So this is the index.html page. Okay, and I'm taking the template. Yesterday I explained in a very good way what is the doc type and all. Okay, so right today I am not interested in all these things. Okay, my screen is not visible. Okay, now you can see, right, everybody. So now we come to the coding part, how we'll implement all these things. Okay, box is nothing, it's a div. Okay, box we see say in the general word, but when we come for the coding, it's called div. So we are taking div, and inside divs we are basically writing hello world. Okay, so suppose box is your boundary, and inside boundary this is your content. Okay, so we have to create these things. Okay, if you write it, you'll get something like this. हमें कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा in our UI, right? We are getting something like this. Now we see, we go to the style section, and simply we call the div, and we give some style. Okay, we give some height is like 200 px, and then after we give some width is like 200 px, right? Okay, and if you go, we see something like this, but we are not getting any div here. So for this, what we have to do, we have to take some border. Okay, border is 1 px solid black. Okay, so you'll see something like this border. Okay, if you go on this image, And now you can relate all the things. This is your content is like hello world. Okay, inside after the hello world, okay, there is some gap which is called padding and margin, and then after there is a border, right? This is the border, and then after there is a margin for the outer. Okay, so in this image you can see this is your hello world is your content, and this is the boundary of your house. Okay, and there is a inside a space, and there is a outside a space also. Okay, so why padding and margin is needed? Okay, suppose if you see on this page, right? So content is here. Okay, like it's like a quite good distance from here. Okay, there is some other content also, but here what's happening now, whatever I'm creating, by default it's coming on the right side. Okay, it's a by default nature of the HTML elements, it's coming on the right side. Okay, so we have to make it adjust. Suppose this is the div and I want to make it shift here. Okay, so for this what we have to do, we have to use margin padding. Okay, accordingly, so we'll tell you. Okay, so I want to make a shift of this div here on the middle of the page. For this, what we have to do, we have to manage the outer boundary distance. Can you see? You have to manage the outer boundary distance. For this, what we have to use? Margin. Same way you use margin here, right? So basically what we use margin. We use margin like a left. Margin left is 200 px. Let's see it's working or not. I don't know also. So I am just checking with you guys. You see, it take a margin of 200 px. Okay, I want to make a shift of little bit down. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to manage distance from the top. Okay, so I take like margin top is like 200 px. So it will get shifted from the top. Okay, now I have to manage the distance from the inside of the div. What will do, I have to manage distance from the inside. For the inside, to manage inside distance, what we have to use? Padding, right? So now we use padding. So use padding I use like 50 px. Okay, so it will take 50 px from the overall, take 50 px from this side, it will take. I want to make it to center. Okay, so we can make it like up to 100 px, I think, because total length is 200 px now, so I'm using 100 px. So it will take 100 px like this. Okay, if you want to make it like a particular move, suppose I want not padding. Okay, I want some padding left only. So you can take it a padding left of 50 px, right? It will shift from left only. If you want to make a move from the top, you can make it from the top also. Padding top, from padding top I needed like 100 px. So it will not 10, I want it 100 px, right? So it will get shifted from the top boundary, and it will get shifted 100 degrees, right? So now you guys tell me, you are clear about what is the use case of the margin, what is the use case of padding, and how will use in the our like in your page, everybody. Now I'm offing off the screen, and now I'll talk to you guys. You guys just tell me. Those who know, those who don't know, it's okay. But just tell me, you guys get to know about like the what is the padding, what is the use case of the padding, and how will they implement the margin, and what will the use case, in what scenario you can use case. Right, I think. Yes, I'm expecting at least like 200 or 300 messages. Please in the chat. Quick, everyone. Okay, I will explain once again how you can run the code on the browser. Okay. Apart from the thing, you guys are clear about the concept of padding and margin. Yes, yes. Please fast everyone, please try to put some effort because I am putting lots of effort. Okay. So I'm expecting at least like 10% from you guys. Okay. Yes, yes, please fast, please fast. Yes, Chaitanya, you are right. Yes, I will explain. I will explain. Don't worry. We'll take some two, three example to make you a good understanding. I will not leave you until and unless you guys have a good understanding on like the, yeah, architecture of the page, padding, margin, all the things. Don't worry. Okay. We'll do some assignment along with you. Okay. And today we'll see some AI tools also. So it will improve your like the UI things on your page and how it will integrate in your page and how it will help you to like improve your UI. Okay, we'll cover both things also. And today it's also okay. Yeah, please, please, please show your response in the chat. Okay. Okay, I think like everybody understand the concept like what is the padding margin and what is the box modeling. Okay, now we'll see like how to approach any UI of the page. Okay, basically I am trying to explain you, okay, how to approach to build any page or any UI. Okay, directly don't jump and directly don't start coding. Okay, code now today like coding is very easy, but your concept should be clear on that things. Okay, if your concept is clear you can code easily, right? Okay, there are so many AI tools and everything. If you just give a command, it will give you the output, but whatever command you have to give, you should know properly, right? So for this, we this session is for that things only. Okay. So see here. Okay, everybody, come out from the chat box and like see here. Okay. So this is a particular page. Okay. This is a some particular page. So what you see here? Okay. You see there is a like you can see there is a small container, a small box, and inside there is a box. Everywhere there is a box. So what you see in this page? In this way, there is a big, you see there is a big container, that big container. Okay, there is a, so you can say one box at parent box, multiple box. Same way in this app also happening, there is a like big container and big box, and inside big box there is a small or like you can say the child box. Okay, every page has the same architecture. You can see, you can go on the Flipkart also. There is a parent container, inside parent container there is a child container, there is a parent box, and inside parent box there is a child box, right? How we will implement these things in our coding. Okay, So taking this reference, I want to create something like this kind of this. Okay, so I have taken one example. We will create something like this. Okay, we have to create something like this. This is our like the page, or this is the main container, and inside container there is some like the information, image, and everything is there. Okay, so we will try to create these things. Okay, so for this what we have, I will tell you the concept. Okay, basically what concept you have to take in. So this is the main container, and inside container there is a child boxes. Okay, so there is a one parent box, and inside parent box there is a child. How many child boxes? One, two, three, four. 4, 8, and 12. There is a 12 child boxes. So I will create one parent box, and inside parent box we will create one child box. Right? Okay, so we go there and we create one file. Okay, which is called product.html, and this is the HTML file. Okay, before starting, and I will change the title here. Okay, this is the title of the page is product page. Got it? And those who like facing a struggle how to like implement these things, or and how to get the your page in your UI, just right click on it, and here is the option open with live server. It will click on, you have to click on it, and it will take you on the browser. Okay, and how will get this option? Before clicking it, you have to like install one extension. Okay, which is called live server. You have to just write it live, and you have to install this extension. Once you install it, okay, once you install it, and then after when you go to the file and right click, you will get the option to open with live server. Okay, if you don't have this extension, okay, if you click it, you will not get the option to go to the live server. First we have to install this extension. Okay, and then after you'll get the option to the go to the live. Okay, right? So okay, so click in the chat, please tell me guys, how many of you finding this session is informative to you, or you guys are learning something? Please in the chat. Okay, I want to know. Yes, 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 please in the chat, how many of you like finding this session is informative to you, and like you guys are like skilling up yourself? Yeah, you are getting some idea about how to build the page, how to architect the page UI and everything, right? Yes, getting some different, like some unique information which is nowhere in the YouTube and or like any other like the platform, right? Yes, yes. This is totally unique, and like we especially designed for you guys only for this session. Yes. Yes, yes, please, please in the chat only. In the appreciation, I want like your like chat, good chat, and like the appreciative chat in the chat box only. Yes, yes, yes. We'll come on this topic. Okay. This is the day two only in BHR. It's okay. Okay, and the end of the session. Okay, I will give you like the yeah LinkedIn profile also where you can connect with me. Okay. Okay, good, good. Those who got the output is good. Okay. Yes, yes, you will learn back end, front end, everything. Okay. Just allow me some days. Yes. Just be with me, have some trust. Okay. And we'll achieve everything. Okay. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Yes, yes, I will explain. I will explain. Just wait for some time. Yes, please reply in the chat box, guys. I'm expecting at least this much. Yeah, please. I will explain. Okay, so move on the coding part. Okay. Okay. So now we are trying to create this page. Okay, right? We are here where it is product page. We are creating this. For this, what we needed, we need one parent box, and inside parent box, we need a four child. Like not four, we need a 12 child, 4, 8, and 12. Okay, we need this one. Okay, for this, what we'll do, we create one box which is called div, or inside div we need a 12. So like we press has and 12, it will give you a 12 div. Okay, and for the parents, what we'll do, we'll do it a class, and we give a some unique class, okay, which is called grid container. Okay, and for the child we give the same class to everyone, because you see like the everyone has the same css, same property. Okay, so we'll give a some same class to everyone. Okay, so for this, what we'll do, we put it like the class, and class is like the grid item, and we'll put the same class to everyone, right? Just watch here. Okay, come out from the chat box and watch it. Okay, done. So we have created the like the parents, and inside parents we have created the 12 child. Okay, everybody done up to this point, right? Now we have to check for the every individual div. Okay, like suppose I have created the container. Okay, inside container. Okay, inside container what we have, this is the parent. Inside parent there is a child. Okay, in every child what they have one image, they have some tag. Okay, this is the tag and this is some animation which is by AI, and there is some tag also, right? So every child have some image and some tag, right? So for every individual div, okay, we have to give these things: image and their product one, which is the tag, and some these things. Okay, and then after this tag also. Okay, so we have to give these things. So we go there simply, and I'm taking just one div. Okay, inside this I need one image, so this is the image. Okay, after image what we have, after image we have this one h1 tag. This is the product one, right? So this product one we needed h1 tag. This is the product, right? Then after what we have, you can see, then after this is the p tag. Okay, you can see this is the p tag, right? So we need this p tag also. So we have created this p tag. Okay, p tag is something like it's written there, rs. Remaining I will tell how to implement. Okay, just first we focus on these things. This is the rs. Okay, and then after what we have, after p we have one more p tag, and which is for the like this for description and all. Okay, right? So this is like the common things for every child container have, right? Image, and then after the h1 tag, and then the price, and then the p tag, right? So what I will do, I will implement these things for the every container, every child container. Simply I copy it and I go there and put it in every child, right? Okay, so we put all the content which is required for our div, right? So I make it like one div, and inside div we have put image, product, and everything which is required for the each and individual div. Okay, and then after what we have to do, we have to put the image src, right? This is the src part. In the src part we have to put the image. So from where we'll get it, just right click on it and just click on copy image address. Okay, we'll get the image address, go there and paste it, right? Then for the second image, not sorry, I don't need QR. I need copy image address and paste it. Then go for the third image, copy image address, go there and simply paste it, right? Then after the fourth, we go there and paste it. Basically, I'm accessing the like the image address and which we are using in our project. Okay, done. Okay. I have implemented all the image and all the things. Let's see like how it's look like on your UI. Okay. So this is something like this is the product 1, product 2, product 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is looking something like this. Okay, right. So I have to change the product name first. Okay. This is the product 1. All are like looking product 1. So I change it accordingly. So this is the product 1 and this is the product 2. And then after this is the product 3, product 4, product 5, product 6, product 7, product 8, product 9, product 10, product 11, and this is the product 12. Okay, we got all 12 products, right? Got it. Okay, this image is repeated, so just ignore it. Okay, somewhere some two images repeated. Okay, so ignore it. Now we got the like the our total like what we can say. We're done with the HTML part, right? Now we have to implement the CSS. So now we go for the CSS part. So for CSS, what we do? We go there on the top and we take some style. If you want, we can take a separate CSS section also, but I have to explain the parallelly everything. That's why I have taken the CSS here. Okay. Okay. Now what we have to do? We are getting everything in the form of like, in the form of like you can see here everything in the form of side by side, one element after the side, other element after another element, other element. It is in the form of grid. But here what we are having, we are getting element down by down, one element after another element, which is called the by default nature of the HTML. Okay, so it's following the by default nature, but we can't like decorate the page in this way. For this way we have to achieve the elements. To achieve these things we have to go through the like the box modeling, and in box modeling we have to achieve the grid methodology. In grid methodology means one row we can like arrange like how many columns we want. Okay, so in one row there is a four column, 1 2 3 4, right? So we will arrange according this. Okay, so everybody clear up to so far, right? Just quick answer, quick energy from everyone. Yes, yes, quick energy. Okay, just tell me how many of you guys know Hindi, so we can communicate in Hindi also. यस, तो हिंदी समझता है आप लोगों को, राइट? ओके, गुड गुड, ठीक है। हम लोग कभी कभी बीच में लाइक विल टॉक इन हिंदी ऑल्सो। गुड वन। तो क्लियर अप टू सो फार, राइट एवरीवन? ओके, लिंक्डइन आई विल शेयर इन द लास्ट। ओके, आई एम माय लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल, वी कैन यू गाइस कैन कनेक्ट देयर। It code or hackathon where you can practice the coding and all. Okay, okay, so we can move ahead in the topic. Okay. Yes, quick chat. Everybody try to participate in this. Just you have to go on the image and just right click it. You can like take the image from there and you can paste it. That's it. You have to do. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I will share the entire code and everything to you. Okay. On your LMS, I think you can get it. Yes, Chintu, like whatever doubt you have, you can write in the chat. I'm replying. Yes, you can write in the chat. And please put down your hand if possible. Yes, you can write it here and I will see and I will respond. Yes, quickly, everybody respond on the chat quickly. Yes, I'm continuing. Just wait for 2, 3 minutes to answer everyone. Yeah, everything is important. Okay, okay. Come back to okay. Now up to this point, what we have did. Okay, you can we have taken the image and like this one, like the product and the price and the description, and we have taken we have improved the like the product name, product one, product two. We have created. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to create in the we have to arrange this thing in the form of grid. Okay, for this, what we have to do? For applying grid, uh, for some timing, remove ignore about the background and all. Will I will tell you how to get the exact background color and everything. Okay, so for this time being, what we have to do? We have to make our like the images and everything in the form of grid. So for in one row, what we need? In one row we need 4 columns. This is the row and this is the column. One column, two column, three column, 4 columns. So I need like one column, one row, two row, okay, three row, and each row there is a 4 column, right? So I will arrange something like this. So applying grid methodology, we have to catch the parents element. You can see this is the parents element, inside parents element, everything, okay? Every child and everything is inside this parent. So I will catch these parents, okay? So for catching parents, I will do this is let the dot and grid container, okay? This is the class name. So for the class name, we'll catch it by the method of dot. Okay. So grid container, what we have to do? First, we have to display. In what format we have to display? In the form of grid. Okay. Then after what we needed? Oh, sorry. Then after what we needed, we have to arrange column. Grid template column. What we needed in the form of continuous repetition. I want. So I take it repeat, and I want 4 column, and each dimension should be 1 FR. That's it. I have to written. Okay. Then after, I have to make the row auto. In future, if you add some more images and more container, it will be auto adjusted, right? Let's check what we are getting in our product. We are getting something like this. Okay, before we are getting down by down, now we are getting something like this. Okay, so we are like little bit improve our UI, right? Okay. Now here you can see there is a gap. You can see there is a gap between each and everything. Okay. So we need to provide gap also, right? So we add like little bit of gap of 20 px. You see there is a gap. Okay. And some images are like large and some like are too small. So we fix it this also. No need to worry. And then after we have to manage the distance from like the boundary to the container. Okay. So for this we give some padding. Padding is like we give 20 px. So we'll get little bit of gap between the main container and the image and all. Okay. So we are little bit done about like the parents. Okay. Now we have to work on the separate child. Okay. So how will catch the separate child? By this ID grid item. Whatever property we will give to the grid item, it will by default it will go to the every child because every child has the same name, same class name. So I will catch the grid item. This is grid item, right? So what first we have to do here? Everything you can see everything are like going left hand side. Okay, so first we'll do like we make it a text align center. Text align center. Okay. Then after we can add some all texts are come to the center, right? Then we can add some padding. Okay, so we'll add some padding. Padding we can add it like 150 px. Okay. Then after what we have a like a small border. You can see there is a like a thin border. You can see this is the thin border. And we will add some border here. Border 1 px solid, and we can make it like I will tell you idea how to get the exact color of the. Right now we make it black. Okay, so we keep it black. Okay, or you want to change it, you can change it a little bit something like this. So you'll get something like this. Okay, so we got something like this border and all in for this your product. Okay, it looks little bit good, right? Okay, we are just like on the good way, right? We are approaching in a good manner to achieve these things, right? Okay, okay. How many like getting up to this point? Yes, tell me, answer me. How many you are up to this point or like understanding everything? Yes, I am guiding you good or not? Just okay, okay. Okay, just suppose you guys have to rate me from like 1 to 10. How much rating will give me? You because your rating matter me a lot. Yes. Okay. 9.57. Okay, good. Who is giving me 7? What issue you have? Tell me. What doubt we have? I will clear it. Yes. 6. Someone giving 6. Okay. Your every rating matters me. I will improve myself. Yeah, on your feedback. No need to worry. Yes. 8, 7.5. Okay. I don't go to the LMS access. I don't got. Okay. For you are not getting LMS access and all, there is a coordinator. You can connect with them. He will help you. Yes, I will give example. No need to worry. It's a like a course of 15 days, right? Okay. So we'll connecting 15 days on the continuous basis from Monday to Friday. We will discuss each and everything. We have a plenty of time. Okay, no need to worry about. We can't catch up with the code. Okay, it will uploaded on your LMS, I think. Okay, I will provide it. Okay, to the team. Team will update it. Okay. Okay. Rating. I asked like from out of 10, how much rating you guys can give me? Yeah, you will get it in PDF format. No need to worry. But first target, like you should try to get it all the concept and everything in the same time in the class. Okay. Okay, some people is giving me 8, 6, 7. Okay, I'm that much bad in teaching. I'm adjusting. Just give me a time. I'm just asking you guys. You guys are awakened or sleep? That's why I raised this poll in between. Yes, there are so many things are left there. Okay, today we'll discuss one or two AI tools also, which is our like the main agenda of our course to improve your web development. Okay, so how can able to chat during class time? Right now, I am giving time to chat. Right. Okay, guys. Yes. Okay, done. Okay, back to the session. Okay, now we have reached up to this point. Okay, but we have to reach here. Okay, we have to achieve this one. Okay, we have reached up to this point. Now what we'll do? we'll try to like give css to the image, okay, and we try to make it all the images on the same. Okay, so for this what we have to do, here simply we catch the image, and I give some max height, or you can say max width first. Max width is like 100%, so it will occupy the 100% of the space of the div. Okay, and then after we give height I want to give like something. So this is your whole container. Okay, so I want to keep it the height up to this one of your image. Okay, so it will be 70%. Suppose your div is 100%, and I want to keep a height up to this one. So this is the 70% of your div, child div. Okay, so I will make it up to 70%. Okay, then after what is remaining, you just go and check. You'll got something like this. Okay, then after there is a border radius. You see there is a radius for the image. Okay, so we will take some border radius. Okay, border radius is like, we can take it up to 15 px. Okay, so this is the border radius we needed. Okay, in this product, right? This is the border radius, we got it. Okay, then after you can see in this product there is some background image. You can see this is the background, not image, this is the background color. Okay, so how I will get the adject color, how I will get the adject color? Okay, so for this there is a like one AI tools which is called Font Awesome, which help you to get the exact color from the website. I will tell you how you can use it. Not Font Awesome, sorry. This is for the icons. Okay, there is a eyedropper. Yeah, eyedropper is a AI tool which help you to like get a like a edge color from the page. Okay, if you write it eyedropper, we'll get something like this: eyedropper Chrome web browser extension. Okay, just what we have to do, we have to add it here. I am getting the option to remove it. You got a option to add it. Okay, because I have already added, so that's why it's giving me option to remove. But like if you are new, so it will get a option to add. Just you have to click it and it will get added. So I am sending this link to everyone in the chat so everyone can have this. Okay, I think it will go to the everyone. Okay, just click on this link and it will redirect on here. Okay, and you have to add it. When once you add it, you will get something like this, some icon, something like this. Okay, so what we have to do, just click on it. Okay, it will open up, right? So suppose in this page I want to catch this background color. How will catch it? Just click it, and here showing like the pick color from the wave. Just click on it and go there and color the back, pick the background color. Okay, right, and click it. Okay, you see it change in the color of like which we have picked. Okay, it change. Okay, just click on it and you will get the color, right? There are so many combination it is giving to you. Okay, if you want you can improve it, but I will go with the RGB and just copy it. Okay, just click on it, it will get copy, and just go to your code. Okay, and I want to make a background color for like this to everyone, so I go there, grid item, and add background color, right, and just paste it. Okay, simply just, and just go and check it. Okay, everyone get the same background color, right? So this is the like the advantage of using AI to like empower him. Okay, and easily you can get it. Okay, before that it's very tough to like guess the like what is the color. So that in that way AI help you to like improve your productivity, right? Now what we have to do, you see like there is a border radius. This is a border radius. Everywhere there is a border radius. So I have to give the border radius to the every div. Okay, so I give a border radius of 15 px to the grid item. Border radius is called like 15 px. That's it. Okay, you get it something like this. Good. Done. Everybody. There's some work left. We'll work on it. Okay. Now there is a background color. You can see. Now we work on background color, right? So this is the background color, and this background color given to the body, entire body. You can see this. We will catch body directly. Okay, and the background color. Background. Okay. Now I want the same background color. How I'll get it? I will go on the eyedropper, okay, and just click on pick color from the browser and just click on it which color you want. Okay, make sure your like this square box should be on the color. Okay, then it will catch the color. Just click on it, and it will catch the color, right? And it's giving you the all the combination which you want to use. I want to always go with the RGB. Okay, so it will be more accurate. Just copy it, go there, and paste it. Okay, simple. You will get the background color, same background color, right? Clear so far? Okay. Now in this we see there is a special kind of font family we are using. Okay, so we will apply here, and it will apply to the all fonts which we are using. Okay, so we go there and apply font. Font family. Okay, I wanted something like the Arial. Yeah, this one I wanted. I don't want this one, so I will remove this one. Got it? They will got something like this, right? Every font in the same page, right? Everybody clear so far? Just tell me yes, no, anything, something. Yes, yes. Yeah, you guys are getting up to this point. Okay, tell me like you guys are finding interesting these things or not? Yes, yes. Quick chat in the answer. Got it? Getting. Okay. Okay. Yes, yes. Yes, getting. Okay. Everybody getting? Good. Okay. Done. Everyone. Can we move ahead? Everyone, please answer me. Yes, can we move ahead? Yes, no. Okay. Okay. Now in this assignment, you see there is a like the heart icon you can see. Okay. You can see this is the heart icon. Okay. This is a one library. Okay, which is a AI based library. Okay. We will discuss today these things also. Okay, which is called Font Awesome, which provide you like the different kind of emojis. Some are paid, some are unpaid also. So we'll see like how we can integrate this. Simply we have to write Font Awesome. Okay. I'm talking about this icon, how we can achieve this on how we can integrate this icon on your page. Okay, so we are talking about these things. Okay, so for this is the font awesome. We just write it font awesome icon. You will get something like this. Okay, right. And here there is an icon. You can see. We click on it. It's uploading little bit. Okay, and how you can integrate in your file. Okay, for this it provide you on a script file. Okay, I'm sending this in chat also. Just you have to, below the title, you have to trigger these things, and like the, it will start working to you. Okay, so I'm sending this in the chat also, these things. I'm sending all the possible things which will help you to like build this page on the same time. Okay, so this a script tag we needed. Okay, once you log in now, I have already logged in. Once you log in, it will send it on your mail. Okay, so I don't want to exaggerate that process, so that's why I'm directly sending this, okay, link, and we can integrate simply on your HTML page and it will start working. Now we need a icon of heart. You can see this is the icon of heart, right? This is the icon of heart. Simply we have to write it heart something. Okay, I just place it search. Okay, I have to go on icon something. Okay, it's working. Okay, so you get something like this. This is this kind of what you are getting. Okay, so the whatever it is written on the pro now, it's paid. Okay, so we have to go for the free version. Okay, so here you can see this simple icon is there, so just go there and click it. Yeah, it will open something like this. Okay, so if you want, you can use it as it is. This is the HTML code. We have awesome code, SVG, React, Vue, everything written there. Right now we are working on HTML, so we need a HTML code. Now we can improve it also a little bit. Okay, suppose if you want to add some animation and color, you can add it. Like I want something red color, so this is the red I want. That's it. Okay, then after I want to like make it like 2xl, so it will be become 2xl, right? Or if you want to make it xl, it will become xl. Okay, then after what we needed, I want to add some animation to this. If you click on it, it will start beating like this. If you click on it, it will show something like this, bounce or something. If you click on it, it will show something like this. I want only beat. Okay, so whole your code is ready. Just click on it and it will get copy. Okay, you can see the code snippet is copy. Just you have to go in your code and you have to paste it. I want here, I want with this things with h1 tag, right? I want this in with the h1 tag, so I will go there and inside the h1 tag, right? This is the h1 tag and I want this tag. Okay, so I go there and write it. If you go on your product, so sometimes it take little sometimes to append. Yeah, sometimes it take times. Okay, I have added in like this one h2 product. I am looking on h1 product. Okay, I don't know why. Yeah, I think it will work. Okay, it's not working, no issue. I will try one more time with a span tag. Okay, you can use a span and inside a span, let's say it's working or not. Sometime it take time. Okay, because we are directly accessing from the like the browser, so we are integrated this script tag. Okay, and it will help you to trigger. Let me check it's save or not. It's save, I think. Yeah, it's save. Might be I have to refresh this page. Just give me 1 minute, huh? Yeah, guys, you can see now it's applying. Just I have refreshed the page. That's it. I didn't did anything. Yeah, you can see you are getting this emoji, right? The spam tag and all. Can you see, everyone? Right? Here I will put the same thing by using a span tag. Okay, so it's better to make it align. Okay, got it, everyone? Okay, I want some different emojis, right? So what will go? We go simply. Okay, I want some different emoji. I will tell you the name of the emoji also. Suppose this is the different kind of heartbeat. Okay, you can see this is the different. This is the different. This is the different. I want it. Okay, so this is the shopping or something. I think, right? Okay, so we'll go with the heart only. Okay, so we go back once. Do you guys find these things interesting if you add in your like icons in your assignment and all these icon, it will look interactive? Yes, no, please answer me in chat. Okay, so I have to write it heart. So I want this one, right? I want this one. So I will click on it and just click on it, and I will improve the color. Which one you want? I want this one, suppose. Click on it, and I want some modification on this. So I go with the Excel. Okay, and I want to, this one should be like beat. So it will go like something, and click the snippet and go there and paste it with the h1 tag, right? We take a span tag, and inside a span you paste it, right? So you can see page is implementing. Okay, this one you can see it is appearing, right? If you want to implement the same with the other elements also, just give me some time. This is the product 2. We are done with the product 3. Now this is the product 4, right? Span. Now the product 5. Add it. And now go for the product 6. Press it as span and paste it. Okay. Now check it here. You got it everything, right? Okay. Now we change the icons. Okay. We explore a little bit more icons. Yeah, I need shopping. Shopping is the cart icon, okay, which you see. Let's see what icon he's giving. You can see this kind of icon. This is the shopping icon. We just copy it. And we want to change the color, so you can change the color from here only. You want to make it something like this. So we'll get this color. You want to add some like animation in this. Or if you want to add something like this, you can add it in this manner. If you want to add bounce look good, so I will add this one bounce, and I want the size XL, right? And now I copy it and I will add it. After 6 we have a 7. We take a span tag and we'll add everything. Then after there is a span tag, and this will add it, a span tag, and we'll add it, a span tag, and we add it. Done. Okay, so when you go and check it, we'll get something like this. Okay, right? We'll get something like this, the card and everything, we'll get it. Okay, done. Okay, everybody got idea like how to implement the icons in your page by using AI and colors and basic architecture, how to up any page things, right? Ahead little. Everybody clear up to this point? Just yes, no. Yeah, yeah. There are many interesting things are left, guys. Why we are lefting the class? I don't know. Do you find boring these things? No, no. Yes. Be with me. Just bear with me for 10, 12 minutes, okay? And then after we wrap up, okay? Okay. I need to implement some more things. Okay, got it. Okay, just come here. Now what we have to do? We have to write these things in the same line, okay? One is the original price, then after there is a off, and now this is the improved price, and this is the off price, and this is the original price. I want something like this, okay? So for this, what we do? I want these things for the everyone, okay? So for this, what I do? I go there and I will try with the first one, and let's see we are achieving these things or not. So this is the P tag, okay? Inside P tag, we have to implement everything, okay? So inside P, we go there and write a class, okay? Class name is new P, okay? This is the new price, okay? This is the 280, okay? Now we write in a span. A span is like we can write it 29% off, okay? Then after we take one more span. Span basically used to write the things in on the same line, okay? Because the h1 tag is a block element, huh? That's why we use span, and in span we give a class which is called old price, okay? And then after old price we'll give it like rs, which is called to what is the price? Can you see? 299, right? Take the price to 99. That's it. Okay. So if you go there on your product, we'll get something like this, okay? So I have to modify it, okay? I have to give some CSS and all, and I want this property also. So it will look something like this, okay? So for this, we have to go to the CSS, right, everyone? Everyone clear up to this point? Yeah, we are just about to end. Just be we here for some time. Okay. So come on the CSS part. So this is the CSS. So P, I give some font size, okay? You can see the P tag, it's look like quite as larger, okay? And here you can see our P size look like quite a smaller, okay? So I give some height to the P tag, or we can say it's called the font size. Font size I give like one rem, okay? One rem is around like the 20 px, and we give some color. Color, how will choose the color? I will tell you. I have tell you, I think it this color I want, okay? For P tag, I want this color. I will choose it, just click on it, okay, and choose color from the web, and I will go there and choose the edge color, right? This color I wanted. Just go there and pick it. That's it. I want this P color. Okay. So you see here in our product, we'll get something like this kind of color, right? Okay. It's little bit faint. We can improve it. Okay. Now it's good, I think. Yeah, it's more visible now. Okay. Now we go for the spam. Okay. As spam, we have to give little bit of margin left. So we catch the spam. As span we can give like margin left is like 10 px, got it? Okay. Okay, now if you go there, okay, you can see like this font is look little bit bolder, right? So we have to make it bold. Okay, so this come under this come under this ID, right? New p. Okay, so we have to catch new p here, new p. Okay, and we write it like the sorry, font weight. Okay, and font weight I make it like bolder. That's it. Okay, done. And no need font size. Okay, no need font. Okay, can you see like this one is little bit faint. Okay, this is the different color actually. Okay, so in this we are getting everything in the same color. Okay, so we need to implement this also, and there is a like throughout line also there. Okay, so we have to implement this also. These are coming under this property old price, so we catch this old price, just go there and write it the color is something like gray. It's related to gray, I think. Yeah, it's related to gray. And I want a throughout line. For this, we need to give text decoration. Yeah, text decoration or line through, I think. Yeah, line through. And you will get something like this line through. Got it? Yes, no. So in very short way, you got a idea how to implement these things in your website to make it look good. Right? Yes, no. Okay. Right now, I want to implement all these things in everywhere. Okay. So for this, what we have to do? This is a P class, right? Completely P class. I copy it and paste it everywhere. Okay. Remove this P and paste it the previous one. That's it. You will get it everywhere, right? So just go there and do it in fast way. P. Okay, just make it quick. Okay, done. So at the final result, we will got something like this. It's quite similar to our original product. We have achieved everything like what we have targeted, right? So you guys tell me any doubt up to this point. We can implement these things easily by your end also, right? I think I'm assuming these things. Yes, please. Yes, no. Yeah. And one more thing, whatever you are learning anywhere, consistency is the important. So we have planned this course in a very precise way so you guys can learn something. So please be continue. Whoever had started yesterday or today, please be continue with me. Okay. And like you guys will learn lots of things. Okay. Yes. Yes, yes. So like, yeah, I will send. I will send. Yeah, LinkedIn profile. I will send. Don't worry. So you guys tell me like, how do you like the session? Like, you guys got some like the insight and like got some like the idea about how to architect the page and what should be your approach for creating any page. You got any idea, any insight? At least like 5% I'm getting, like at least you guys understand 5%, then I'm successful in my like implementation and everything. Yeah, I will send everything. Okay, ma'am will update on your like the LMS. Okay. Yes. Yes. Please be like the continue in this journey, okay? Because without continuous and without consistency, you can't learn anything. Suppose if you join today and you like not join like tomorrow and after tomorrow, so you will miss lots of things. Okay, so please be continue. Yes, yes, we'll help you. We'll help you. Yes, we can make. We can make. When you move to the JavaScript now, we can make it clickable. Okay. So just tell me, like, what challenges you guys are facing in like in college or school to learning new technology? Just tell me. Yes, yes, I will share. I will share everything day by day. Okay, no need to worry. You guys just tell me or answer me like what challenges you are facing while learning new technology in your like in your course, college, and everywhere. Yes. And there is a attendance feedback form in your chat. You can fill it. Yeah, everybody quick before leaving the class. Yes, quickly, just put it in your chat like what challenges you are facing while learning some new technology and all. We are just close to end this session. Okay, guys, any doubt, anything up to this point? Yes, yes, no, anything? No, okay, okay. Tomorrow we'll like connect with some good concept and some good assignments. Okay, so tomorrow we'll get some good insight about the coding and all. Okay, so please be available. Those who are today, please be available tomorrow also. Then it will be a continuous learning journey will begin. No homework. LinkedIn, I will share you all, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. So session is end for today. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, guys. Bye.
Okay, so thank you so much for your valuable class of day two.
Okay,
So
thank you.
we would Yeah, if you don't have any questions to be addressed, we can wind up for the day, sir. We'll meet again by tomorrow at 7 p.m.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, sir. So, dear students, kindly mark your attendance without any fail. And as I have heard from trainer, you all asking for the materials or the code. I will definitely, I'm going to upload all the materials of day one and day two by tomorrow. So you can go through the you can just all check on your LMS. Okay, all the materials and coding will be uploaded in LMS. Okay. Any other questions? We have 2 more minutes. If any questions to be asked, you can ask. I'm just repeating, kindly mark your attendance without any fail. Attendance is mandatory to get the certificate. 60% you have to get the attendance. Then only you will get the certificate. So make sure that you will all attending lively every day, the live classes every day, and mark your attendance. Yes, only you have to fill the form, which I am sharing it. That is feedback and attendance and feedback form, which you have to fill to get the attendance. And make sure that you all use the only one mail ID. I mean, if you have marked your attendance from one mail ID for all the 15 days, mark with the same mail ID. Okay, don't change the mail ID. So that whatever attendance will be captured, it will capture in only, you have to mark it with only one mail ID. Okay, fine. We are going to wind up for the day. Thank you all. Thank you for joining. We'll meet again by tomorrow at 7 p.m. Thank you, everyone. Good night.